A stately locomotive adorns the yard at the Märklin factory. Now the giant is also coming as an half-O model. This for good reason, since it was a sensation to bring the engine to its new home.
Das war ja jetzt knapp 3 Jahre her, als wir die Lokomotive dann hierher
It's been almost 3 years now since we got the locomotive onto the Märklin premises. That was a great show. The loading onto a heavy transport truck, then the drive through all of Göppingen, and finally the shunting the locomotive via the rear parking lot. So it was sensational what the drivers of these heavy transport trucks are capable of. It was quite an experience, which we have summarized. The model locomotives comes with a DVD, on which we have compiled these snapshots.
Ja, im Vorbild war die Baureihe 44 natürlich.
In the prototype, the Class 44 was of course mainly used in heavy freight service, with heavy coal trains, also ore trains on the way. From Emden also with the Langer Heinrich. So it was already a powerhouse.
Also, das war schon ein Kraftmonster.
An exciting history. In the meantime, it was a commemorative locomotive in Kornwestheim before it came to Göppingen.
Wir haben natürlich versucht, das Modell.
And we have tried to reproduce the model exactly like the original, which is here in the yard at Märklin. Small details have also been reproduced, such as on the tender. One bogie here has disc wheels, another has been given spoked wheels. That's how it is on the original, and that's how we've recreated it in the model accordingly. The locomotive itself, of course, has our World of Operations decoder in it again, and we have equipped it with a high-performance propulsion system and a whole host of functions.
Entsprechend ausgestattet.
Even the hand sample is convincing. With Trix, the engine gets an MFX DCC decoder. Piston rod protection tubes, brake hoses and screw coupling imitations are included with the model. Of course, the engine feels most at home on a layout where it can haul a long freight train over a ramp section. Suitable cars can be found in the assortment. A smoke kit can be retrofitted. The lighting, including that of the cab, is done with maintenance-free warm white LEDs. The model reproduces the restored locomotive as it stands at the Märklineum in operating condition around 1963. Experience the prototype up close at the Märklineum in Göppingen. It is worth it. And the new model of the 441315? Simply great.